Welcome to my honest review of Advance America's Credit Builder service. If you're looking to improve your credit score, you've likely come across this service. Advance America offers a range of financial solutions, but today, I'm focusing specifically on their Credit Builder program. Let's take a look at how it works, what you get, and whether it's worth your time. First off, when you visit the Advance America website, you'll see right away that they offer a variety of financial products. The Credit Builder program is one of their more popular services, especially for those who want to improve their credit score without taking on a lot of risk. The service is designed for people with less than perfect credit, who need a simple, straightforward way to boost their score. Getting started is easy. You can sign up directly through their website. The process is quick, and you don't need perfect credit to apply. In fact, this service is specifically targeted at those who may have trouble getting approved for traditional loans or credit cards due to a low credit score. One of the main features of the Advance America Credit Builder program is that it offers small, manageable loans, which are reported to the major credit bureaus. This is important because many credit building programs only report to one or two bureaus, while Advance America reports to all three: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, giving you a broader opportunity to improve your score. Once approved, you can select the loan amount, which typically ranges from $100 to $1,000. You'll then make monthly payments over a set period, and these payments will be reported to the credit bureaus. The key here is consistency. Making regular, on-time payments is what will help you raise your credit score. Another aspect to consider is the fees. While the loans offered by Advance America are relatively small, they do come with interest, so it's important to read the fine print before committing. You'll want to make sure the terms work for your financial situation, and that you're comfortable with the repayment schedule. One thing I really appreciate about Advance America is their transparency. They provide clear information about how the Credit Builder program works, and what you can expect. There are also resources on their website that help you understand credit scores and how to manage your finances better. This is definitely a service aimed at educating users, not just giving out loans. In terms of customer support, Advance America offers multiple ways to get in touch. Whether through their website, phone support, or in-person locations, they seem to be committed to making sure their users have a positive experience. Overall, if you're looking to build or rebuild your credit, Advance America's Credit Builder program could be a solid option. It's simple to use, reports to all three major credit bureaus, and offers small, manageable loans. However, always make sure to review the loan terms and ensure that you're comfortable with the fees and repayment schedule before getting started. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of financial products and services.